So I'm about to install the Lund Ngauge into the AC vent in the Mustang. This is the first part. Take off the right side of the paneling, and it's scary, but it's out. And now I'm about to take out this whole top paneling. And it's weird, but you gotta like wiggle it out. So once you get this part loose, then you start focusing on the middle part and get this out. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Come in the middle. Same thing, just unclip it. Alright, I'm not finna just yank though. Forget that. Continue to loosen. Then nothing broken. And it's out. Alright, so to take this out, you just pull this vent back and then push these two in, and then it'll drop. So you pull this out a little bit, press these two in at the same time, and it drops in. Do the same thing right here. Pull this back and press these two in, and then the vent will come through. So pull it out a little bit so you don't break it, and then press these in. Boom. And you got a fully intact. So here's the Lund Ngauge, and what I did, I saw some people use like double-sided tape, but what I did, I just made my own double-sided tape just to make it thicker. It don't really need to stick like that, and it just fits in there a little bit better, and it just sits right there, so it's easy to take in and out. Looks good still. It's easy to take in and out, so that's pretty much it on that one. Alright, and we'll see how it looks at the end. This is the next step right here. Pop these off. Should be simple. Don't need to unplug this. Just snap it off just to give you access. Sounds like I'm breaking my car. Pretty easy. And there's the two bolts. Alright, so now I got this out. It was just 3 bolts right here that you take out, and then you get access to the, I don't know what it's called, but the little reader thing that this plug into it. That's all you do. You plug it into there. Boom. And then this should come on. Run it through the bottom part, and then bring it up through this back gauge. And then just find it, and then you'll find it through the AC vent. Alright, so I clipped everything back in place, ran my wire through, still got my double-sided tape, and I do it this way so I can easily take it in and out when I want to add tunes or change the tune. And just clip it in. Goes right there. Snaps in, and that's it. Finished product. Now you can go to, let's see, the main screen, go gauges, just connect.
Jewelry with synthetic stones.
Shut up. See the RPM start to change? Then you rev it. See the RPMs go up. It's pretty cool. All done.